The rear flap is secured for transport in the upright position by 2 sliding door catches. Twist and turn like that, pull the flap down and it's ready for work. Now for the controls. You've got to remember that the height of this bar is 600mm from there to the floor, absolute minimum, but this bar controls which way those rollers are. It controls the rollers only, not the engine. The 2 buttons on the side here, they dictate the flow of the oil to the infeed rollers. Blue is reverse, i.e. they will turn backwards and spit any material out. Green is feed in material until the no stress device works. If you press the bar, the rollers go to stop position and stay stopped until you've pressed the green button again. Blue is reverse, or press the red bar for stop. Manual throttle on the side of the machine here. Towards you, it's at idle. When you're ready to work, you rev it up by going like that. And then when you've done all your wood chipping, bring it down to idle, let the machine settle on idle. Ideally let it start the cooling down process before you use the stop button and the key to turn the engine off. Same with all the stickers. Yellow are a hazard sticker, so there's something that has to be obeyed in that or observed with that hazard. White stickers are for information only. For example, this one here with the hour clock at 8 hours, that's the sign for daily checks. So daily checks, check your condition of your radiator screen. Every 40 hours, for example, which is once a week, blow the radiator out with compressed air. But these stickers, where you see these, they mean every week or every day. This is the daily maintenance schedule, so every 8 hours, which is every day, take the key out. Check the water level in the radiator for the engine, check the oil level in the engine, check the height of the oil in the hydraulic tank, try and get the machine level, make sure it's secure with the brakes fully on, check the condition of your blades. A wood chipper has to have sharp blades. Keep your fingers out of the machinery because it will hurt otherwise. Generally speaking, you feed brash in by the butt end first, not the leafy end in first. Lock off your discharge chute in the required direction. Check your controls work. Check, turn the engine on and rev it up. Yellow stickers are a warning. There's some hazard there and some advice to be taken. White ones are just advice only. So on this main sticker here, hazard, take the key out, make sure the engine isn't running, make sure you've read the operator's book. Because of bits coming flying out of the machine, wear adequate eye protection and a helmet. Because of noise levels, wear adequate ear protection. Because you're getting pulled into a machine, wear no snag out of clothing. Make sure that the brakes are on so the machine is static and will not move. Try and get the machine level. Be aware around machinery that's being manoeuvred. Lock off your discharge chute. Keep your arms and legs out of the machine, and if you have any loose fixings, tighten them up. In common with all wood chippers, because of bits coming out of the infeed chute at the operator, never stand directly in the middle of the machine while it's operating. Always stand to one side or the other, feed your material in and get out of the way. Because of wood chips coming out of the discharge chute, always make sure that people are aware of the direction of the flow and never walk in front of it while it's wood chipping. This decal refers to being inside of a wood chipper. Never ever reach inside to a wood chipper while it's operating. Those infeed rollers at the end there, they will pull you in if you get anywhere near it, so never go in there. If you need to reach in for something, make the machine safe with the use of a safety bar, turn the engine off and remove the key.